our tutorial for today was on how to demonstrate and execute notice of mariner correction. So, just a quick definition, notice of mariner are notices that is issued by authorized hydrographic office that provides weekly updates for our paper charts. So, on this example, we're going to demonstrate how to update certain charts. Okay? So, in our first example, it was provided last week 14 of 2024. So, ito po yung weekly update natin, week 14, 2024. And it was provided here some details. So, nandito po sa pinakaunang column, these are the actions that you need to do. So, it's either insert, delete, no? So, with the different actions, it is provided with different examples. So, ito po yung example po ng mga common types of notice of mariner. So, una po is insert. So, balik ko na nakalagay ang insert. Kagaya po nito, i-insert po siya sa chart. And all symbols provides different meaning. So, it's very important as a deck officer to become familiar on different chart symbols. So, ang meaning po nitong box na to is marine farming. So, it means there are people na nagkakaroon po ng livelihood with this na nagpa-farm po ng mga isda. Okay? So, it is provided in the position. So, ito po, position po ito. So, given with the different example that we have, we're going to demonstrate two examples for notices of mariner. So, first step always is position, and that will be demonstrated by Bronton in a few minutes. Tapos po, nakalagay dito yung depth. So, sabi, insert depth. So, we're going to change the depth later for the second position that we have. Alright? And lastly, once we see the depth in this position above, we're going to delete the 16.4. Okay? So, ang meaning po ng mga numbers na yan, 12.3 in paper chart, it means 12.3 meters. So, that is the depth of the water. Okay? And same for 16.4 meters po yan. So, we're going to demonstrate how to correct the paper chart. So, let us start correcting our nautical chart. So, we have the position here, 35:52.33 minutes north, 005:20.11 minutes west. So, given the chart number 142, ito po, 142 yan siya. So, tama na chart natin is ito nga, 142. So, una po, find the latitude. So, you get the degrees. Nandito siya, 35. Tapos, 52, 33. So, this is 50. So, 51, 52. Okay? So, 0.33. So, 2, 4. Okay? So, if we're going to use the triangle, nandito malapit yung error. Okay? Dito malapit. So, longitude, ganun din. 5 degrees 20. So, nandito po, 5 degrees 20. So, 0.11. So, dito din. So, dito natin isusulat yung marine farm. So, yung symbol ng marine farm is ganyan. Okay, marine farm. Yan. So, dapat magenta ballpen yung ginagamit natin. So, we're going to correct it permanently. So, lagay natin siyang ganon with a magenta ballpen. Okay? Next correction is that yung delete of the depth. So, same position, if we're going to compare, 19.42 yan. So, 20 pa din. Nandito lang. So, 16.4. Okay, i-delete natin siya. One line lang po, no? So, pag mag-delete po tayo, nung mga correction dito, pag may delete, one line lang. Okay? Ng magenta ballpen ulit. Bakit magenta? To highlight the error. So, if we're going to see this kind of ink in the paper chart, it means correction. So, gets mo na yan, na nag-correct po tayo. Tapos, sabi doon, i-insert pa tayo ng 12.3, no? Kanina doon. So, yung 12.3, nandito po yung position, same din, magkakalapit lang siya. So, 12.3 yung depth dito. So, we had deleted the 16.4, tapos naglagay po tayo ng corrected depth. Okay? And the very last step for correction is to update the chart dito po sa pinakababa. Okay? So, the same, magenta ball pen, ilalagay po natin yung week of correction, 2024-14. So, yung chart natin is updated by 2024, week 14 of that year. Okay? So, ganyan lang po yung example natin for today, which is the insert, delete of the paper chart. Thank you.